Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I am back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, the southern end of the Las Vegas Strip. Gonna check out the Excalibur Hotel and Casino today. I've always considered the Excalibur the family destination here on the Las Vegas Strip. I don't think too many people are going to argue with me on that. It's a nice place, very inexpensive, probably on the bottom end of the MGM properties here on Las Vegas. So you can get there pretty cheaply, relatively cheaply, compared to other hotels and casinos. And it's got a great family vibe. So grab your kids by the hands and let's check out everything the Excalibur has for the family, shall we? As I said earlier, the Excalibur is an MGM property here on the Las Vegas Strip, and it's connected to the Luxor and Mandalay Bay via a tram, a common tram the three hotels share, and that's on the southern end of the Las Vegas Strip. Also located on the same intersection as the Excalibur are the New York Hotel and Casino, the MGM Grand, and the Tropicana. This restaurant is Dick's Last Resort, a daringly different dining experience on the Las Vegas Strip, famous for deliciously messy cuisine, oddly entertaining decor, rowdy and unpredictable service, live bands, and a let-loose atmosphere. And here we have a Baja Fresh Mexican grill, but as you'll see, most of the restaurants, a majority of them are upstairs, and we're going to head up there shortly, including one of the Las Vegas Strip's best food courts. Here we have the Excalibur Sportsbook, as well as Vagabond. You can catch up with pals and cheer on your favorite team at Vagabond. You can swing by to share a few drinks and catch your favorite sports games, ditch the dress codes, and find your fun here at Vagabond. I guess you can pretty much ditch your dress code anywhere here at the Excalibur. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hold on tight! This is Boca de Beppo. Join the familia and gather around the table for a traditional Italian meal in an atmosphere full of lively music, laughter, and lots of fun. Characterized by family-style portions with high-quality traditional Italian dishes, Boca de Beppo is sure to bring out your inner Italian. And that's about as fancy as dining gets here at the Excalibur. Again, extremely casual and family-oriented. Except, of course, for the Thunder Down Under, you might want to bring the kids downstairs to the arcade while you enjoy that show. The arcade will be covered in a moment. Lick is a candy store. It's featured in a lot of hotels along the strip here, as well as in Atlantic City. I always pass them, never stopped in. Next time I pass a Lick, I'm stopping in. The buffet here at the Excalibur is one of the most inexpensive buffets you can find here on the Las Vegas Strip at $26.99 currently, and it's only open for brunch from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. There are no dinner hours here at the Excalibur buffet. There's quite a few shops here on the second level, as well as quite a few restaurants and that huge food court, one of the best on the Las Vegas Strip, as I said earlier. Hey, if you're digging this video, go ahead and subscribe to the New York channel and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. No, seriously, right now, subscribe to the New York channel and hit that thumbs up. Did you do it? Great, thank you. We can continue now. Quite a while ago on the New York channel, I did a survey of the best food courts here on the Las Vegas Strip, and while I'm not going to announce the winner here, you'll have to watch that video, I will say that this is one of the largest and has the best variety of restaurants than any of the others. I'm just going to mention some of the restaurants here at the Excalibur food court. They include Auntie Anne's Pretzels, Big Chill, Breakfast and Burgers, Cinnabon, Einstein's Brothers Bagels, Hot Dog on a Stick, Krispy Kreme, Pickup Sticks, Pizza Hut Express, Popcornopolis, Popeye's Chicken, Schlotsky's, and Starbucks. That's just to name a few. They also have a personal favorite, Johnny Rockets, downstairs in case you missed it at the beginning of the video. As I edit this video, I realize as we go deeper into the video, the music has been quite a roller coaster. We started off with music having a medieval theme, and it's kind of drifted into some weird music, so I apologize for that, but you try to find some medieval, copyright-free music yourself. It's not that easy. Hold on tight. We're going to head through the casino now and then eventually end up by some more escalators, and we'll go down to the basement, or I guess as they'll call it here at the Excalibur, the dungeon, to check out the huge arcade downstairs. The New York channel now has a new feature called Super Thanks. If you're watching this video, just look a little bit below the video, and hopefully normally where you click on that thumbs up, look a little bit to the right and you'll see a new button that says Thanks. Clicking on that thanks button will give you, the viewer, the opportunity to leave a very colorful and noticeable highlighted comment on the video that you're watching, which will be pinned to the top of all other comments. And as my personal thanks to you, you'll receive a one-time animation while you're watching this video above the video, as again, personal thanks from me to you for giving me a super thanks. And of course, super thanks aren't required. They're just a great way to show me and others who are watching these videos how much you like to support the channel. And in keeping with the family theme, the Excalibur has a huge arcade downstairs for the kids and adults, kids at heart, you know, second only probably to Circus Circus, which is way up north on the Las Vegas Strip. Tournament of Kings is Las Vegas's ultimate dinner and show experiences. Adapted from the tale of King Arthur, this live-action production takes place in a 900-seat theater in the Round Arena and immerses the audience in a tale of lore and treachery. While knights fight, guests feast on a hearty dinner using the original utensil, their hands. Tournament of Kings is an epic portrayal of centuries past, and it's all in the name of honor, country, and of course, food. And that's pretty much it for the Excalibur here today on the Las Vegas Strip, one of the least expensive MGM properties on the Strip. And if you're looking for something a little more upscale as far as eating and dining and lounges and stuff, well, you're surrounded by other properties. And if you come down here with kids, it's a great place to stay. And like I said, you have lots of options around you. So what'd you think of the Excalibur? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.